Welcome to Twitchymo Studio. In this Cartoon Animator 5 tutorial, we'll be drawing the face of a simple character, using the vector program Inkscape. Let's get started. Go to the rectangle tool, and make a rectangle. Go to the Fill and Stroke tab. The keyboard shortcut is Shift plus Control plus F. Let's select a fill color for the skin. For the stroke, select a dark color. And for the stroke style, I finally selected the width of 2. Select the Nodes tool. Grab the top right circle, and drag it down. This will be the basis for our head. Let's adjust the stroke color to a darker shade of the fill color. Hold down the Shift key and select a darker shade. If you look down on the left at the bottom, you'll see the fill and stroke colors. We want to turn off this button to stop scaling of the stroke size when you adjust the size of an object. Duplicate the face, and we will use it to make the neck. Select it, and drag the image off to the side. Select the new image again, and size it for the neck. We can get a better round of the top and bottom. Select the node button, select the center circle and rise it up and then back down to give a better look. Use the selection button, and adjust the size, and now we can move it into place. Select the lower selection button, to lower this object. Let's add some ears. Select the Circle Ellipses tool, and draw a circle for the ear. If the colors of this circle is different, go to Preferences, then Tools, and Shapes. Now for each of the different shapes, select the last used style. Now move the ear into place. We will now duplicate the ear, and drag it to the other side of the head. Move each ear to be behind the head. Select both ears and the head, then go to Path and Union. Because the ears were the last layer, you'll have to move the neck back again. select the Bezier tool, and draw a vertical line from the bottom of the ear upward. The stroke style needs to be adjusted to a width of 1. Select the round cap. With the new line selected, take the color picker tool, and select the stroke color, while holding down Shift. Use the select tool, to align it up. Somehow I duplicated the vertical bar, so we'll just delete the black one. Once back in place, duplicate the vertical bar. Hold down Ctrl, which keeps it in line, and move the bar over to the right here. Now, let's make some eyes, with the circle tool. Hold down Ctrl, which helps to make a perfect circle. I'm going to change the color, to a dark brown. Change to the select tool, and move the eye into place. Duplicate the eye, and move the copy over to the right, while holding Ctrl to keep it in line. Select both eyes. Go to Object and Group. Now select also the head, and hit the Align button. Select the Center on Vertical Axis button, to align everything. Now ungroup the eyes. Next, let's create some eyebrows. Go up to the top ruler. Drag a horizontal guideline down as a reference to start from. With the Bezier tool, select a start point. Move upward, and select the next point, and down to the last point, and double-click. Here, we want only the stroke, and turn off the fill. Select a color for the brow, and set the stroke style at 2. Duplicate the brow, and use the flip tool. Now, move it over the right eye. We can delete the guideline. select each brow, and use the cap function to round the ends. I noticed the brows aren't in line. Go to the Align tool, and center horizontally. To make sure the eyebrows are centered with the head, again, go to Object, and Group. Select Brows, and the head, then use the Align tool to center vertically. Ungroup the eyebrows. Onto the mouth. If you draw an object, and only an empty selection box is visible, the fill and stroke are turned off. With the mouth, we want the stroke color to be the same as the head outline, but the fill to be white for the teeth. Draw a rectangle over half of the circle. Select both objects, then Path and Difference. Move our mouth into place. Use the Rectangle tool to draw a nose. Here we want just fill and no stroke. Just doing some tweaks and adjustments. Let's create the character's hair. Select the Rectangle tool. Once in place, select the Nodes tool. Pull down the round node on the top right corner. We will use this as the basis for our back hair. Go back to the Select tool, then lower the object to the back. Go to Path, then Object to Path, so you can edit the hair object. You can move nodes around, and add new nodes by double-clicking on the paths. Using the Circle tool, we can draw the front hair. With our circle over the forehead, again go to Path and Object to Path. Okay, let's change our character's hair color. Select the front hair. I'm going to use a darker brown. Don't forget, we're just changing the fill color and the stroke is turned off. Now, we'll change the back hair color. Looks like we need a slight adjustment of the front hair. So here is the head of our simple character, using Inkscape. In part 2, we'll continue creating the body. If you haven't done so already, please take a few seconds to subscribe, like and hit notifications, to be notified of my next video. Thank you for joining my journey of animation.